Hey everyone, I'm Sarah and this is Courageous Color. Today we're going to make a champagne color using Golden Artist Colors acrylic paint. And before we get into it, I just want to say thank you to Jeannie Kirk for suggesting that I make this color. I really hope you enjoy this video. Thanks, Jeannie. Now, making champagne is going to be a three-step process. We're going to make orange brown, then pastel yellow, and then we'll combine those two colors with white to make champagne. So this orange-brown mixture is made up of 2 parts yellow and 1 part red to make the orange, and then 1 part blue to make this brown color that you see here. Now the second step is to make pastel yellow, and you do that by mixing 3 parts white and 1 part yellow. Next, I want to add an equal part of the brown mixture to the pastel yellow. So I want to be careful to remember how much paint I used in each part of the pastel yellow mixture, and then add that amount of brown. Once the brown is mixed with the yellow, we have our base color for champagne. Now I am going to lighten it up by adding 3 parts white to 1 part of the base mixture. And I'm actually going to just use the amount of paint that's already on my paintbrush here. Now, if you like the base color and you don't want to lighten it, you don't have to. But if you do want it to be lighter, I would suggest using 3 parts white to 1 part of your mixture. And if you want it to be even lighter, I suggest you repeat this process. Add another 3 parts white to 1 part of this mixture. And you can do that as many times as you need to achieve the shade that you were hoping for. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thanks again to Jeannie Kirk for suggesting it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Courageous Color for more color mixing videos. Bye for now.